Welcome to Mac's Daily English. Hello everyone, how are you today? I hope you are doing well. Today, we are going to watch a conversation at a supermarket. Max and Lily are close friends. Today, they are shopping together at the supermarket for the first time. Max has never been to this supermarket before, so Lily is going to help him find everything he needs. Don't worry, I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy the conversation. Before we start, I have a small question for you. Please listen carefully to find the answer. This will help you understand English more deeply. So here is today's question. What does Max want to cook for dinner tonight? The answer is mentioned in the conversation. If you find the answer, please write it in the comments section. By writing your answer in English, you can improve your English skills even more effectively. All right, are you ready? Okay, let's begin.
Okay, Max, we're here. This is the supermarket.
Wow, it's really big, isn't it?
It is. This is one of the biggest supermarkets in the area.
I can see so many things. Where do we even start?
Don't worry. I come here all the time. I know this place very well.
Oh, that's good. I'm glad you're with me, Lily.
Of course. That's what friends are for. So, Max, what do you need today?
Let me think. I want to cook dinner tonight. A simple pasta dish. So I need pasta, tomato sauce, onions, and maybe some cheese.
Oh, that sounds delicious. Pasta's a great idea.
Thank you. I hope it turns out well. I'm still learning to cook.
Don't worry, you'll do great. Okay, let's start with the pasta. That should be in the dry goods aisle.
The dry goods aisle? What does dry goods mean?
Good question. Dry goods means food that is dry, not wet or frozen. Things like pasta, rice, flour, and cereal. They all go in the dry goods aisle.
Oh, I see. So dry goods are dry foods like pasta and rice.
Exactly. Things that don't need to be kept in the fridge.
That makes sense. Okay, so pasta is in the dry goods aisle. Got it.
Right. Let's go. It's this way.
Wow, there are so many types of pasta here.
I know. It's a lot, isn't it?
There's spaghetti, penne, rigatoni, fusilli. Which one should I choose?
What kind of sauce are you making?
Tomato sauce. A simple one with onions and garlic.
Then spaghetti is perfect for that. Tomato sauce and spaghetti go really well together.
Oh, really? I didn't know that. I thought any pasta was the same.
Actually, different pasta shapes are better with different sauces. But for a beginner, spaghetti with tomato sauce is a classic choice.
Classic. I like that word. Okay, spaghetti it is.
Great choice.
Okay, next I need tomato sauce. Where is that?
It's usually near the pasta. Let me check. Yes, it's right here, on this shelf.
Oh, perfect. Let me look. There are so many brands. Which one is good?
I usually buy this one. It's not too expensive and it tastes really good.
Let me look at the label. Oh, it says no added sugar. What does that mean?
No added sugar means the company did not put extra sugar into the sauce. It's more natural. Some sauces have a lot of sugar added to make them taste sweet, but this one doesn't.
Oh, I see. So no added sugar means it's more natural, less processed.
Exactly. You remembered the word processed from last time.
Ha, yes, I did. Processed means changed from its natural form, right?
That's right. Great job, Max.
Thank you. Okay, I'll take this tomato sauce. It sounds healthier.
Good choice. I always buy this one too.
Oh, wow. It smells so fresh here.
Yeah, this is the produce section.
The produce section? What does produce mean?
Produce is fresh fruits and vegetables. When we talk about a supermarket, the produce section is where all the fresh food is. Apples, carrots, tomatoes, lettuce, all of that is called produce.
Oh, I see. Produce means fresh fruits and vegetables.
Exactly. And you can see it's very colorful here.
Yes, it is. There are so many colors. Red tomatoes, green lettuce, orange carrots. It's beautiful.
It really is. I love this part of the supermarket.
Me too. Okay, I need onions. Where are they?
Right over here. Look, yellow onions, white onions, and red onions.
Wow, there are 3 kinds of onions?
Yes, they all taste a little different. For pasta sauce, yellow onions are the best. They are sweet when you cook them.
Yellow onions are sweet when cooked. Got it. I'll take these.
Perfect. And do you need garlic too? You said garlic earlier.
Oh, yes, I almost forgot. Where is the garlic?
Right next to the onions. See? Here is.
Oh, great. I need 2 or 3 cloves.
Actually, Max, you should probably buy a whole bulb. It's cheaper than buying just a few cloves.
A bulb and cloves. I'm confused. What's the difference?
Good question. So a garlic bulb is the whole thing, the big round piece, and a clove is one small piece inside the bulb. When you break the bulb apart, you get many small cloves.
Oh, so the bulb is the whole garlic and a clove is just one small piece.
Exactly. You usually cook with 1 or 2 cloves at a time.
I see. So for my pasta, I need about 2 cloves, but it's cheaper to buy the whole bulb.
Right, and you can use the rest for other cooking.
That makes sense. Okay, I'll buy the whole bulb.
Great idea.
Okay, last thing on my list, cheese.
The cheese section is over here. Follow me.
Lead the way. Oh my goodness, there are so many cheeses.
I know. It can be overwhelming.
Overwhelming. Is that a good thing or a bad thing?
It usually means there's too much of something. So much that it's hard to choose or think clearly. It's not really good or bad. It just means a lot to handle.
I see. So I feel overwhelmed because there are too many choices.
Exactly. You understood right away.
Thank you. Okay, which cheese is good for pasta?
For pasta, Parmesan cheese is the most popular.
Parmesan. I've heard that word before. Is it the hard yellow cheese?
Yes, it's a hard cheese. It has a strong, salty flavor. You grate it on top of the pasta.
Grate. What does grate mean?
To grate something means to rub it against a grater, a special tool with small holes. It turns the cheese into small, thin pieces.
Oh, like making the cheese into very small pieces on top of the pasta.
Exactly. Grated Parmesan on top of pasta is so delicious.
That sounds amazing. Okay, I'll get the Parmesan.
Good. This one is pre-grated, so it's already in small pieces. You just open the bag and put it on top.
Oh, even easier. Perfect. I'll take this one.
Great. I think you have everything now, right?
Let me check. Spaghetti, yes. Tomato sauce, yes. Onion, yes. Garlic, yes. And Parmesan cheese, yes. That's everything.
Perfect. Let's go to the checkout.
The checkout. That's where we pay, right?
That's right. You're learning supermarket vocabulary already.
I am, thanks to you. Lily, look, there's a self-checkout and a regular checkout. What's the difference?
Good question. At the regular checkout, a cashier, that's a person, scans your items and takes your payment. At the self-checkout, you do it yourself. You scan everything without help.
Oh, I see. So at self-checkout, there is no cashier. You do everything yourself.
Exactly.
Which do you prefer?
I usually use self-checkout when I don't have many items. It's faster. But when I have a lot of things, I use the regular checkout.
That makes sense. We only have a few things today, so self-checkout?
Let's do it.
Okay, I scan the barcode like this. Oh, it worked.
Great job.
This is fun. It's like a little game.
I always think that too.
That was so easy. I can't believe I was nervous before.
You did great, Max, really.
I couldn't have done it without you. Thank you, Lily.
Of course, that's what friends are for. So, what time is dinner?
Ha! You want to come over?
Only if there's pasta.
Of course there is. Come over at Senin?
Perfect. I'll be there.
Great. And maybe next time we can go to the farmer's market together. I want to learn more about fresh food.
Oh, I love that idea. At the farmer's market, I can teach you the names of many different vegetables. Some of them are very interesting.
That sounds really fun. I'm already excited.
Me too. Okay, see you tonight, Max.
See you tonight, and thank you again, Lily.
Anytime.
How was it? I hope this conversation helped you improve your English. Let me ask the question from the beginning one more time. What does Max want to cook for dinner tonight? The answer was mentioned in the conversation. Did you find it? If you found the answer, please write it in the comments section below. Write your answer in English, even just one sentence is great. By practicing English output like this, you can improve your English skills more efficiently. Every comment you write is good practice, so please don't be shy. All right, that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you learned some useful new words today. Words like produce, dry goods, clothes, grate, and overwhelming. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep going. You are doing a wonderful job. I hope to see you in the next video. See you next time. Bye.